Hello, welcome to Precious Lives and another very interesting video for you today. These days, after a patient has had a mastectomy or a lumpectomy, that is, we try to save the breast in 70% of our patients. There are only few indications where you really need to remove the entire breast today. So in patients, there are a lot of disadvantages to undergo mastectomy. Why do we not want you to undergo mastectomy? Firstly, it's very practical. Socially, it affects you mentally, it affects the patient mentally that a part of her body has been amputated. Secondly, if the breasts are heavy, it is logical. There is too much load, there is imbalance of the load on the two sides of the shoulder. So on one side, the side where you don't have the breast is going to be having less weight compared to the one where the normal breast is present. So it's going to cause drooping, and as the woman ages, she's going to be postmenopausal, or the patient is already postmenopausal when she's undergone surgery. So with age, her bones are going to go weaker and weaker. So undergoing a mastectomy should be avoided by the patient and the doctor as far as possible. Once supposing the mastectomy has been done, what do we have to offer the patient? That is what we are going to talk about today. So I told you that there is going to be an imbalance. So plus the patient is affected psychologically because one side of the breast is missing. Younger patients and the patients who are affording undergo plastic surgery, where you can put in a silicone breast implant permanently, or you can take a muscle from the back which is called the latissimus dorsi, rotate. What do we do for women who do not want a breast implant or do not want a silicone implant and do not want a latissimus dorsi flap surgery? We have these options. We first assess the size of the breast of the patient. So you have from T1, T2, T3, we see synchronize it with the size of the opposite breast. Thereafter, so you have, this is supposing this is T5. So this is the size of the patient's breast, and then you have a pocket which is available. So you insert it into the pocket. If you want better adhesiveness, there is sticker here which you can remove, and then it will stick to the inner side of this pocket. You have bras available on the different sizes, and that again has a pocket. So this gets inserted over here into this pocket, and this the patient wears comfortably like a normal bra and goes about her daily job. So this is the fitting kit where you have the different sizes from T1 to T10 and all the accessories including the pocket and the bra available. And finally, once the size has been decided, the patient goes home with just one kit. So this will be her final kit, which comprises of her prosthesis, her pocket and her bra. So this is a very convenient apparatus, prosthesis, which the patient can wear, and she doesn't have to use it at night when she's sleeping. Plus she also is not stressed that she has a silicone implant, which is very expensive actually, nor does she have to undergo an extra surgery whereby you have a latissimus dorsi flap which is rotated and then the breast is reconstructed. So this is for your information. Thank you so much for being with us today, and we'll keep coming back to you with more and more videos. Thank you so much.